Hey guys, Matt here with Missouri Public Hunter. Welcome back to the channel. We got a small game hunt for you. I know a lot of you enjoy watching these. My buddy David invited me to go with some of his friends down near Ava, Missouri for a rabbit hunt. After the hunt was over, we went around and checked out some of the local sites. That was really cool. But by the end of the day, we brought the rabbits home, prepared the meat, and ended up making fried rabbit nuggets out of it. It was very good. Enjoy the video and hit subscribe. Alright guys, it is Saturday morning. Here with my buddy Dave. He actually was in the first video ever on this channel. We went on a rabbit hunt way up north. What was that, Coal Camp? Went up to Coal Camp, slaughtered a ton of rabbits up there.
Well, I mean, it has been 2 years, Buck, though, you know.
What are you, human calendar? Mr. Trapper Keeper? I know how long it's been.
We're down here, South Missouri, south of Ava, private property, going with some friends that David runs rabbits with, runs his beagle dogs. Sounds like one's firing off already. David's ain't even got his wiener put up yet. Anyhow, we're gonna get after it. Maybe we can put together a good little video. Got Dave, this is his boy Zyler. Here we go, we hunting. Jesus. You stepped on a frog. Well, the way this stuff looks, it's like there could be one just every little pile. I thought I seen something slip through there a second ago. That's right where they went. Kind of early. Oh, there it is right there. Right there. It stopped right there.
Here goes another one.
Got it.
Good boy, you better go eat it. Good boy, dead rabbit, dead rabbit, dead rabbit, boy.
That other one went right up here.
Yeah, we'll get him on it. And as far as I'm concerned, you take every rabbit we got today.
I'm good with a couple. Just as long as I can make something out of it.
No, we usually just go give them away to somebody.
Yeah.
Dive.
Yeah.
James, come on.
Hey, this dog's eating a rabbit.
Good boy.
He's eating that rather rabbit I shot.
Boy, that's good. That's good. We're proud of you guys. Good
Come
job.
here, James.
That's it. That's all you need.
James, come here. Hey, Jig.
I didn't know you guys seen 2 rabbits.
They were side by side.
Holy cow.
That explains why that race stopped.
Wondering why you guys shot 3 times. Come on, let's go. Let's move it on. Let's go. Heidi, let's go. That's crazy. We never heard it squeal or nothing. They must have ran up there and died.
Yeah, if you don't care.
Take off.
Thank you, sir.
Home point updated.
There he is.
Got it, boy. You just missed him by 30 foot.
Ain't that crazy? Bag up, bag up. What did we first? Oh, Lord, Jesus. Huh? No, but I turned and looked at the wrong time. Right where them dogs are now.
Look in here. Look in here. Look in here.
Look
in here. There you go.
here, James. Look here, James. Atta boy, Gator. Look there. Look here.
Are you done, Bit?
Oh, there you go. Go get him. Did you get that?
No, I was moving.
I knew that rabbit was going to come out of there. Show all them dogs. Show them they did a good job.
Hey, a rabbit's right here. Hey, when it come by me, it was just barely slinking over the...
Get there. But he was over the hill, so he's just the back I could see.
And it was moving ever so slow, and it wasn't 10 feet in front of them dogs. Just
Look in there. There goes right there. There it goes.
Let them dogs look at it.
I'm gonna go over here where we can see down in it.
What she said.
I seen it. I seen it in there. I never seen it come out. I can try. Hey, come on. Look. Look, look, look. Come on. Well, I don't know if I can get to it. Right there, that's where it was.
Here, dead rabbit, dead rabbit, dead rabbit. We're getting our exercise in, man.
We are. You know what though? We could probably use it.
Make you get big leg muscle.
Chicks dig that.
Yeah, chicks love guys with big old calf muscles, big thighs. That's your mom. There's an eagle. Hey, look at that bald eagle.
Look at it. You think that dog went on the bench the only time he won was at maintenance? He was only going on there.
Hey, there's another one. I think I'm gonna shed a layer.
Holy hell, you got cold gear on.
Where's my beanie bag?
It's in that hat. You got it. I'll hang those over the fence and then come right back. No, you just drop the phone there. Step Look at old freak, you're trying to figure out how to get it. I feel 100 pounds lighter without that coat.
Boy, ain't that just a hoodie makes that much of a difference. It's gonna come back around this way, ain't it? I was thinking it might slip right back through here, but...
Yeah, because that's where he got jumped, ain't it?
Uh-huh.
Go stand in that valley, is that her?
Yep.
They're gonna beat you there. Don't even try. They're gonna beat you there. They're coming right to you, Brad. Killed it though.
He shot all the way across that draw.
28 gauge.
Button buck.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at that, Zai. The skull of a button buck.
His legs got hung. No way, look at that. Look how it wrapped around there.
Yep.
He laid right here and died.
That's amazing. That's crazy.
I have never, I mean, I've seen it but I've never witnessed it.
Yeah.
Let me take a picture of that. That's nuts. Heck of a way to go, man. Isn't that crazy? I stood right by it and didn't even notice it.
That's crazy.
Could you imagine though, like going out that way?
That sucks.
Being hung there and you just slowly,
Or if the coyote is after you and you was just about to get away.
and then you get hung up and then they eat you alive.
What a Vienna?
Man, you make quick work of them.
What even is it?
That's crazy.
This is called Rock Bridge. Yeah.
Tate Septic. He's a no-good guy. It may help him, may get him a pump job or something, you know.
Yeah.
He's number one at cleaning number two.
And a nice guy.
Your place now called Rainbow Trout Ranch. You can see up there's a store, there's a gigantic mill. The little building says Rock Bridge Bank, established 1904. Post office, bunch of houses and cabins you can rent. Rock Bridge Mill. Pretty dang neat. All right, so we're back home. Was a pretty good hunt. Ended up with 4 rabbits we brought home. We killed 5, and the 5th one got to the dogs.
Boy, that's good. That's good.
Or I guess the dogs got to him. Needless to say, we have 4 rabbits worth. The best way to do this is to debone the meat. Soak it in salt water for 24 hours, pat dry, freeze, and then when we're ready, per their suggestion, we are going to cut them into little pieces of nugget, little rabbit nuggets, and we're gonna deep fry them. See you tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day. Our rabbits soaked in salt water for about 24 hours in the fridge. It took a lot of that blood looking stuff out of it. So now what we're gonna do is just lay them out here and we're gonna debone the meat. And then we're gonna package all of the deboned meat up and put it in the freezer. And then another day we'll come in and make some rabbit nuggets. We got our meat deboned. Now we're gonna put it in a freezer bag and stick it in the freezer. That's what we ended up with for deboned rabbit meat. When we come back, when we start to come back at you with the cast cam,
Yes.
we're gonna make.
We're coming back at you.
We're gonna come back at you with the cast cam, and we're gonna make fried rabbit nuggets.
Right back at you with the cast cam.
Taking applications for a better wife if anyone's interested. Preferably you're thick and a country girl.
Hey!
It's now several days later, and you can tell that because on the screen it said this. We left you with freezing the rabbits. So what we've done is taken them out, thawed them out today, just dumped them into the strainer just to get rid of some of the juice. We're gonna do egg and flour, probably salt and pepper, and a cute new pink Paris Hilton pan for
Christmas. Always wash your hands before you touch your meat. Now don't ever touch anything else after you wash your hands. We're going straight to the meat. Okay. Hands are a little wet. I'm gonna dry them with this clean towel.
that dirty towel that's been hanging there for 2 weeks.
Okay, here we go. just get them a little golden brown. Flop them.
It's like cashew chicken.
It kind of does.
Try this. What's his taste like? That's exactly what I'm saying. It tastes exactly like chicken. It's really good.
Chicken rabbits.
All right, there you have it. Tastes like chicken, right? Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. It was a fun video. I want to give a thanks to my buddy Dave Seibert and his buddies Brad and John for getting us out there on the property, for going on the hunt down in Ava. It was a blast. Had a ton of fun. The recipe's great. I'm gonna shut this off so I can eat. Catch you on the next one. Gall dang.